Have you ever spent hours planning your meals and prepping your food, only to end up throwing half of it away, feeling like a total failure? You're not alone. So many Christian women tell me they want to meal prep to honor their health and serve their families well, but somehow it just leads to guilt, overwhelm, and wasted food. Today I'm going to share why these meal prep fails keep happening and the grace-filled way forward, so you can prep meals without feeling like you're failing. Hey friend, if we haven't met yet, I'm Coach Tiffany, founder of Red Flower Health. As a Christian health coach, I've walked alongside so many women struggling with meal prep, and honestly, I've been there too. I remember this one week where I prepped tons of healthy meals. I was so proud of myself for planning ahead, but when it came time to eat, my husband just grabbed a frozen pizza from the freezer instead. None of the meals that I had prepped were foods that he actually liked. So I felt defeated. Here I was trying to honor our health, but I hadn't planned meals that would actually work for our family. So why do these meal prep fails happen in the first place? First, we try to do too much at once. We plan complicated meals or prep every single thing for the entire week, which just leads to burnout before Monday even ends. Second, we choose meals that don't actually store well, so by the time we're ready to eat them, they're mushy, dry, or just unappealing. Third, we prep meals we think we should eat instead of prepping meals that we actually want to eat. So when the time comes, we're craving something completely different. Does that sound familiar? Let me know in the comments below. What's been your biggest meal prep fail? I'd love to hear your story because trust me, you're not alone, and we can all learn from each other's experiences. Or if you have any questions about meal prepping in a way that actually works for your life, drop them below too, because I'd love to answer them for you. But here's the good news. Meal prepping doesn't have to feel stressful or guilt-inducing. Here's the grace-filled way forward. Start small. Instead of prepping an entire week's worth of meals, prep one or two items that make your week easier, like washing and chopping veggies for quick salads, or pre-cooking protein for a couple of dinners. Choose meals you actually enjoy. Meal prep isn't about restriction or punishment, it's about supporting your health and peace. Let go of perfection. If your prep doesn't go as planned, give yourself grace. You're learning and growing, and your worth isn't measured by how perfectly you stick to a meal plan. Remember, this is about honoring your health and nourishing your body so you can better serve God, your family, and your calling. If you're ready to finally meal prep without guilt or overwhelm, I created a free workshop just for you called Fuel Your Body, Honor Your Health. In it, I teach you exactly how to meal prep in a simple, grace-filled way that supports your health without taking over your life. Click the link in the description below to sign up and get started today. Thank you so much for being here. If this video blessed you, be sure to like it, subscribe, and share it with another woman who could use some grace-filled health encouragement today. Many blessings. Coach Tiffany.